CopperMine, better tools that produce better results. Do you have automotive wire harness similar to this? Are you having difficulty finding a machine to process it? In this video, we are demonstrating the pre-chopping process. In the past, we have recommended removing connectors and have realized that this can be a wasteful and time-consuming task. So we have added the option to upgrade your machine to a 20 horsepower motor, making it powerful enough to handle harsh chopping loads. Check out these various wire harnesses being chopped with ease. The processing output for the pre-shredder is about 1,000 pounds per hour. We understand that deciding what you do with your automotive wire harness can be a challenge. Cars contain anywhere from 50 pounds or more of copper wire. There is a significant amount of profit potential that is currently being left on the table when the wire is not processed properly. Why not maximize your profit and find the right machine that can minimize the workload and provide you with a number 2 or number 1 return? If you are interested in learning more about processing automotive wire harness or want to purchase your machine, please contact us today at 855-643-7491. One of our customer service representatives would be happy to assist you.